Riley Serola coming at you with a new food review. Today, I'm in Shoreditch and I'm on my way to a restaurant called The Bird on Kingsland Road. Let me tell you something, I've got chicken and waffles on the agenda. So let's go into Bird and showcase to you guys what it's all about. Boom.
I don't like sauces, so I don't want the barbecue sauce and I don't want the house QP mayo. I like my food as dry as the Sahara Desert.
Okay, no barbecue, no mayo.
Yeah.
What? Man said as dry as the Sahara Desert. Oh, I'm weak.
I was an actor.
What? Really?
Yeah. Well, I was very bad in Turkey. I'm Turkish. I was an actor in Turkey. I was very bad. They sent me here, so I'm a waiter. Sorry, my mom calling me.
You're a comedian.
Yeah, I was a comedian.
So, the orders are in. It's about that time to do that toilet review. This bathroom, toilet, whatever you want to call it, looks like a prison. Look at this. Graffiti on the door. Look at the floor. Kind of crusty. I'm pretty impressed. It's clean in here. It's fresh. This is a bit retro. I think this is the look that they were deliberately going for. And how is it? It's not with that.
No, it's okay, man.
It's okay.
It's a bit weird eating a waffle and chicken.
I think this is maple syrup. I'm gonna pour it all over. Rags. Moment of truth. I'm gonna sample this donut.
Where did you find that?
It's supposed to have coconut, caramel sauce, whipped cream. And the donut's supposed to be fresh. So let's give it a verdict. Really good. Very, very good. What do you think of it? It tastes better than it looks. This is one of those places where the first bite is simply divine, but that experience stops real quick. Bird is renowned for chicken and waffles. In my opinion, their chicken and waffles are basic. In one of my previous posts, I mentioned a restaurant called Mama Lear's on Oak End Road. Their chicken and waffles blow Bird out of the water. The only saving grace for Bird was the cheesy fries I had, and I was pleasantly surprised with their dessert. For taste, it's going to be a 3. Staff were very cheerful and chatty, but in a good way, in a good pleasant way. Food was served promptly and piping hot. Staff were helpful and they were very, very easy to get hold of. They did botch one of my orders, but the way they handled it, the way they were apologetic and the way they dealt with it very, very swiftly, I'm willing to look past that. So for customer service, it's going to be a 5. In my opinion, Bird is overrated and it's quite expensive for what you get. To put in perspective for you, chicken and waffles, £11. Wings, 6 wings, £6. And the portion size isn't that great. But then again, unless you are a beast, you're not going to go through an awful lot because it can get quite sickening. Their waffles is served with a chicken breast and a chicken leg. I don't understand why you would put a chicken leg on a waffle. Now I gotta put down the knife and fork and I gotta get messy. So on that basis, overall value, I'm gonna give it a 2.5, and I'll give this place a miss It's not terrible, but you can go somewhere a lot better. So that's the end of my review. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. In the description below, you can find my Facebook and Instagram. You can also find the link to the website for Bird if you're interested. So till next time, peace.